Imagine stepping into the ultimate luxury on wheels, a $2 million motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in style. This isn't just any RV, this is a fully customized, ultra-luxurious Rolls-Royce motorhome designed for those who demand perfection in every detail. From the moment you approach it, the presence is undeniable. The sleek exterior, polished to a flawless shine, reflects the prestige and craftsmanship synonymous with Rolls-Royce. Every curve, every line, has been meticulously designed not only for aesthetic appeal but for aerodynamic precision and stability on the road. As we step inside, the true magic begins. The interior is nothing short of a palace on wheels. High-quality materials cover every surface, from the supple leather seating to the exotic wood paneling and polished chrome accents. The design balances modern elegance with timeless luxury. Ambient lighting accentuates the space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels both sophisticated and cozy. One of the first features you'll notice is the living area. It's incredibly spacious, with plush seating that rivals that of the most expensive lounges in the world. The seats are fully adjustable and include heating, cooling, and massage functions, ensuring ultimate comfort whether you're driving or relaxing at a campsite. A state-of-the-art entertainment system is integrated seamlessly into the space. A high-definition television slides out from hidden compartments, accompanied by a premium surround sound system that transforms any journey into a cinematic experience. Next, the kitchen area is a chef's dream. Despite the limited space of a mobile home, this kitchen has it all. It features a high-end induction cooktop, a professional-grade oven, and a full-size refrigerator. Luxury finishes continue here, with marble countertops, polished cabinetry, and custom-designed fixtures. Every element is designed for efficiency without compromising style. You can prepare a gourmet meal as effortlessly as you would in your own home, with all appliances hidden behind elegant panels that maintain the clean, luxurious aesthetic. The dining area is equally impressive. A bespoke table, crafted from exotic wood, sits elegantly in the center, surrounded by ergonomically designed chairs that provide comfort for long meals. The area can accommodate multiple guests, making it perfect for entertaining, whether on the road or parked at an exclusive resort. Moving to the bedroom, you're greeted with a sanctuary of calm and sophistication. The bed is oversized, draped with the finest linens, and features an adjustable base to provide personalized comfort. Ambient lighting and integrated window shades create the perfect environment for sleep or relaxation. Storage solutions are ingeniously built into every corner, allowing you to bring everything you need without sacrificing style or space. The bathroom in this motorhome is nothing short of a spa. Luxurious materials, including marble surfaces and polished metal fixtures, make every visit feel indulgent. A full-size shower with advanced water pressure controls, heated floors, and a vanity with integrated lighting completes the experience. Some models even include a bidet system and mood-enhancing lighting for a truly immersive experience. Technology is at the heart of this Rolls-Royce motorhome. Smart systems control everything from climate to lighting to entertainment, all accessible via a central touchscreen panel or your smartphone. The vehicle is equipped with advanced safety systems, including collision avoidance, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Externally, this motorhome is as functional as it is stunning. Retractable awnings provide shade, while integrated storage compartments house outdoor furniture, barbecues, and other luxury camping essentials. The vehicle's suspension system is engineered to provide a smooth, stable ride, regardless of road conditions, making long-distance travel both safe and comfortable. Performance-wise, the Rolls-Royce motorhome is powered by a formidable engine, capable of handling the weight of this luxury palace with ease. The transmission is smooth and responsive, allowing for effortless cruising even on steep inclines or winding roads. Despite its size, maneuverability is surprisingly